Good morning. Welcome to FEET.Teaching. Today, I will introduce the past continuous tense, also known as the past progressive tense. Refers to a continued action or state that was happening at some point in the past. The past continuous tense is formed by combining the past tense of to be, was, were, in the verb present participle, ing words. Example: the sun was shining every day that summer. Another example: as I spoke, the children were laughing at my cleverness. It can also be used to describe something that was happening continuously in the past when another action interrupted. Example: the audience was applauding until he fell off the stage. Another example: I was making dinner when she arrived. The past continuous can shed light on what was happening at a precise time in the past. Example: at 6 o'clock, I was eating dinner. It can also refer to a habitual action in the past. Example: she was talking constantly in the class in those days. One final caution: thought irregularities are few. Not every verb is suited to describe a continuous action. Certain verbs can't be used in the past continuous tense. One common example is the verb to arrive. Incorrect. At noon, he was arriving. Correct. At noon, he arrived. Well, for now that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Remember to like and share our videos. Bye bye!